Hey guys, T here. Today we're going to do a real quickie on how to find the studs in a wall. If you want to hang a picture, I always like to hang it from the stud, not from the drywall. And there's a variety of ways of finding the stud. There's these little guys, you know, with the wiggly wobbly magnet. Same kind of thing, only it's got a level in there. Or you can go electronic, these guys. Or what I've found works for me is these things, magnetic buttons. So this thing, magnetic buttons, and a roll of masking tape, you can find the studs fast, quick, and with no problem. So I'll show you how. This is all we need. So thanks for watching this quickie, guys. And please subscribe if you will, and hit the notification bell if you want to get a notification of a new video that I put up. So take care. See you soon.